Hello all, welcome to Shriya the Cotton House. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Stay at home and enjoy online shopping. So in this video we will be showing you two comfortable daily wear items. All these items are available in our website. So if you like to book any of this item, you can directly log on to our website, which is www.shriyadacottonhouse.com, or else you can take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176641794. So now let's check on to the items one by one. This is the first item. It's a pure Kota cotton top that comes with the cotton dupatta and cotton bottom. It's a complete bandhani printed cotton top. This is. You will be getting a complete print. So this is the top. You will be getting a zari borders, golden thread borders on the daman. So it's a complete bandhani printed item. The color looks too good. Dark bottle green. This is. It's a 2.5 meter fabric. See the texture. It's a Kota cotton top. Very comfortable fabric. This is very lightweight and comfortable item. This is how the top looks, and it comes with the contrast cotton bottom, dark navy blue color cotton bottom. This is, and a fully bandhani printed Kota cotton dupatta. This is also a very lengthy dupatta. Very beautiful dupatta also. This is a beautifully printed Kota cotton dupatta. This is such a lengthy dupatta. This is, see, you'll be getting golden thread borders on both the sides. You'll be getting on both the sides. It's a very lengthy dupatta. So this is how the dupatta looks. A complete hand block printed dupatta. This is. So this is how the overall set looks. Beautiful color combination, dark bottle green with navy blue color bottom and a green color printed dupatta. So this set is priced at 1050 with free shipping. So in this we have got 4 colors. This is the first color, dark bottle green color. The price is 1050 with free shipping. We don't have a COD option. Only prepaid orders are available with us. And the next one is a beautiful blue color, dark blue. This is. It comes with the contrast bottom. So the measurement will be all 2.5 meters. Top, dupatta and bottom all 2.5 meters. So you don't need to worry on the measurements. So this is how the top looks. A complete printed bandhani printed. These are all printed items, not original bandhani. A complete bandhani printed Kota cotton top. This is. You will be getting a print on both the sides. So this is the back side. You will be getting a print on both the sides. So looks very elegant when you stitch and wear it. And it comes with the dark red color cotton bottom. This is pure cotton bottom. This is, and a very beautiful dupatta. Dupatta looks too good in this set. Such a soft and lightweight fabric these are. So this is how the dupatta looks. A fully printed soft cotton, soft Kota cotton dupatta. You will be getting borders on both the sides of the dupatta. So this is how the overall looks. So this is priced at 1050 with free shipping. So these items are available in our website. So if you like to book any of the item, you can directly log on to our website and you can place your orders. Or else you can take a screenshot and you can WhatsApp us at 9176641794. So this is the next color. It's a dark maroon color and it comes with the same color bottom. So this set alone comes with the same color bottom. You can pair it with black color bottom too. Looks too good. So this is how the top looks. A complete printed bandhani printed top. This is. We have posted similar item 2-3 weeks before. We got a very good response for that item. So we have come up with a new print. So this is how the top looks. You will be getting a zari borders on an end of the top. In the same color cotton bottom. This is. You can pair it with black color bottom also. Looks too good. And a fully printed bandhani printed soft Kota cotton dupatta. So you need to buy this set only for the dupatta also. Looks such a pretty dupatta. This is. See, beautiful dupatta. Looks very good when you wear it. So if you want to see the pictures, please log into our website and you can view it. So this is how the overall looks view. So this is priced at 1050 with free shipping. So this is the last color. It's a beautiful dark purple color. This is. It comes with a navy blue color bottom. Very elegant and a pretty item these are. Usually we get a saris in this type of print, but this is the first time we have got salwas in this type of print. So this is how the top looks, a dark purple color top. You will be getting a print on both the sides. A 2.5 meter Kota cotton top this is, and it comes with the dark navy blue color cotton bottom and a fully printed Kota cotton dupatta. This is how the dupatta looks, a fully printed Kota cotton dupatta. You will be getting a zari borders on both the ends. So these zaris are soft. It is not like a thick zaris. It will be soft and comfortable zaris these are. So this is how the overall view looks. So this is priced at 1050 with free shipping. We have got one more set today. So this set is priced at 1050. And the next is a pure cotton item that comes with a beautiful patchwork on the yoke part. So this is the top, a pure cotton top this is, and you will be getting a very pretty patchwork on the yoke. So this is how the embroidery looks in the yoke. And this comes with the blue color cotton bottom, pure cotton bottom this is, and embroidered silk cotton dupatta, soft silk cotton dupatta this is. A blue color soft silk cotton dupatta, and you will be getting an embroidery in this dupatta also. See, a beautiful embroidered dupatta. This is also a very lengthy dupatta, green with blue color combination, a very different combination this is. So this is how the overall set looks. So this is priced at 990 with free shipping. In this also we have got 4 colors. This is the first combination. And the next one is blue color top with green color bottom, light green color bottom this is. So the patchwork on the yoke looks very good, very neat and an elegant item this is. So this is how the top looks, a full pure cotton top, pure handloom cotton these are. You can see the texture, pure cotton this is, and it comes with the beautiful embroidery in the yoke. This is how the embroidery looks, a beautiful embroidery it has got, and it comes with a light green color cotton bottom. So this is the bottom, light green color cotton bottom this is, and a fully embroidered silk cotton dupatta. This is the dupatta. A beautifully embroidered silk cotton dupatta this is. So this set is priced at 990 with free shipping. If you want to see the pictures, you can directly log on to our website and you can see the pictures. So all these are available in our website. So these type of items doesn't require lining at all. So this is the next item. It's a dark pink with yellow color combination. It looks like red, but it's actually dark pink. Dark pink color top this is, and it comes with the yellow color embroidery work, and you will be getting a piping work on the daman also. This is how the embroidery looks. A very neat and an elegant item, and it comes with an yellow color cotton bottom. This is the bottom you will be getting, and a fully embroidered silk cotton dupatta. So you will be getting a zari borders on both the sides of the dupatta, and this is the embroidery you will be getting. This is the overall view. So this set is priced at 990 with free shipping. So if you have any issues, please take a screenshot of the item and WhatsApp us at 9176641794 while placing the orders. So this is the last combination in this set. It's a mustard yellow with dark maroon color combination. So this combination looks too good. The dark maroon color It comes with a dark maroon color bottom. So this is the yoke part. It's a mustard yellow color top actually. The quality of the top will be very good. And this is the bottom, dark maroon color cotton bottom. This is, and a fully embroidered silk cotton dupatta, soft silk cotton dupatta this is. So this is the dupatta I will be getting, a fully embroidered silk cotton dupatta. Beautiful embroidery it has got. So this is how the overall view looks. So this set is priced at $990 with free shipping. So if you like to book any of the item, please log into our website and you can place your orders. We have given our website address and our WhatsApp number in the description box. So kindly do check it. I'll meet you all tomorrow with the new set of collections. Until then, stay tuned with us. Bye-bye.